Republic of the Philippines, Philippine National Police in La Libertad Municipal Police Station, Negros Oriental Police Provincial Office. No? So it is a crime analysis report of heat map crime analysis in illegal gambling concentration in La Libertad. So introduction. Crime analysis is an important process used by law enforcement agencies to identify crime pattern, hotspot areas, and possible contributing factors affecting peace and order within a community. Through the use of crime mapping and heat map analysis, police authorities can visualize area and high concentrations of criminal activities and implement strategic interventions. This record presents the heat map crime analysis of illegal incident recording within the municipality of La Libertad. The analysis focused on identifying hotspot areas, frequency of incidents, common time and occurrence, and contributing environmental and social factors associated with illegal gambling incidents. So, the objectives. It is to identify the area with high concentrations of illegal gambling activities in La Libertad. Second is to determine the common time and locations of illegal gambling incidents. Third is to analyze pattern and trends related to illegal gambling operations. The fourth one is to identify contributing factors influencing the occurrence of illegal gambling. And the last one is to recommend appropriate crime prevention and intervention of measures. So, number 3 is the area of analysis. In which municipality? It is in La Libertad, in the province of Negros Oriental, in police station of La Libertad Municipality Police Station, and the coverage period in January 1, 2026 to April 30, 2026. So next one is the sources of data. So sources was found in police blotter records, intelligence records, barangay peace and order records, surveillance operations, community complaints and reports, patrol operation records, crime mapping, and heat map data. So next one is the methodology. Descriptive crime analysis and crime mapping were utilized to identify hotspot areas and trends based on collective incident data. The research utilized descriptive crime analysis to the collection and interpretation of crime incident data. This mapping was employed to identify hotspot areas where crimes frequency occurred. The incidents were categorized according to type, location, and time of occurrence. Symbols and color coding were used in the crime map to distinguish different crimes. So these are the symbols located in the left side, and the crime rate was located in the right side. No? So the first symbol was less or lowest crime incident, and the second symbol was shown which have highest and crime incident. So the next is the presentation of heat map. So this heat map analysis revealed the illegal gambling incident were highly concentrated in the following areas: La Libertad, El Paraiso, and La Victoria. So summary of incidents. So La Libertad, there is 7 incidents, La Paraiso 7, La Victoria 4, Mercedes 1, Mauswagon 1, New Argao 1, New Bataan 1, New Carcar 1, Poblacion 1, San Jose 1, San Catalina 1, Santa Cruz 1, Singaran 1. So for a total of 28 incidents in those barangay of La Libertad. So analysis of crime pattern, no? La Libertad and La Paraiso recorded the highest concentration of illegal gambling activities due to heavy foot traffic, large gathering, and limited monitoring during evening hours. So La Libertad was also identified as a hotspot area where illegal gambling activities were frequently conducted in residential compounds and stores. Moderate concentration of illegal gambling was observed in other barangays, where individuals gathered from drinking sessions and social activities. The other barangay also showed gambling activities involving transient individuals and informal betting operations. So next is hotspot analysis, no? So La Libertad, heavy crowd and lack of CCTV. In La Paraiso is escape routes. In La Victoria have limited police station. So next one is the time analysis. Most incidents occurred between 10 p.m. to 12 p.m. midnight due to reduced visible poor lighting and unattended police patrols. Next one is the interpretation of data. The crime analysis shows criminal activities and strongly influenced by environmental and social conditions. Area with high population density, commercial activities, poor lighting, and limited security measures tend to experience higher crime rates. The concentration of crimes during nightmare hours suggests that they need for enhancement police patrols operations and improved barangay security measures. Furthermore, drug-related incidents contribute significantly to other crimes such as theft, robbery, and physical injury. So next one is the recommendations. So first recommendation must be intensify police patrol operations and identify hotspot areas. Second is to conduct regular anti-illegal gambling operations and surveillance. Third is to increase police visibility during nightmare hours. Fourth one is to coordinate with barangay officials for community-based monitoring. Fifth one is to install additional street lighting and CCTV cameras on hotspot areas. And the last one is to conduct information campaigns regarding the illegal consequences of illegal gambling. And the last one is the conclusion. The heat map crime analysis reveals the illegal gambling activities in La Libertad and concentration of commercial, residential, and public gathering areas, particularly during nighttime hours. Through strategic police deployment, intensified law enforcement operations, and active community participations, the occurrence of illegal gambling activity may be significantly reduced. So, this crime map analysis was prepared by Police Corporal Romel Ian Inyon, crime analysis in La Libertad Municipal Police Station, and reviewed by Reynold S. Hitz, Chief of Police in La Libertad Municipal Police Station.